In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this DIY Valentine's Day shaker card. I don't do this professionally, it's just my hobby. I try to do this with minimum supplies. So if I can do this, you definitely can too, because I'm not a professional. You would need a white colored, red or pink colored cardboard paper. You would need a foam sheet. This will help us create dimension. Polyester film, the see-through, it's kind of a see-through sheet. You can also use acetate. You would need a ruler, a razor, a pencil, regular scissors, a heart-shaped hole puncher, a heavy-duty glue stick, and that's it. So first I started by drawing a heart with a pencil. The size of the heart is based on the white base paper that we are going to use for our card. So the heart I drew would kind of be in the center of the base paper. This is the outer heart, and this would be the inner heart, and the width between the two hearts is almost 1 centimeter in my case. I don't think you can see the dots on the camera, but I have dots like a trace. Now I'll just connect these dots so that we get a proper shape, because we need the inner circle to look very similar to the outer circle. This is how my heart looks like right now. Now that my heart is ready, I'm going to cut it and make a shape. I know DIY greeting cards would take a lot of time, but they would add special value to whoever you're gifting them to. So spending some extra time and energy on DIY cards is totally worth it. At least I think they're really worth it. So our heart is gonna look like this on the paper. Now that I've realized that this could have been a little bigger for my paper, I'm going to cut this a little. I want this to be exactly in the center of the paper. This is like 3 centimeters, and I want the distance from here to the end of the card to be 3 centimeters too. And remember, the paper I used, this is the standard size of the paper, which I just folded in half for my base card. Here it looks like it's in the center to me, and that works. Now I'm going to stick this polyester film to the heart. You can use an acetate too instead of this. I got this on Amazon. I'm going to stick this first and cut the sides later. It's like applying a screen guard to your phone. So our heart is ready with the film. So we would need to use this foam to create a dimension, as we need a dimension. I'm cutting the foam sheet in the shape of the heart. I'm just tracing a line around this heart, and I will cut according to the shape after. Feel free to do it directly if you think you can, but I'm not an expert in drawing, so I need some help to do it, so I'm going to do it this way. I have the trace of my heart now, and I'm going to cut the foam paper. I made pieces of the foam. They don't have to necessarily be in shape because we are not going to see them. They're going to be under our card, so you can make pieces of them like this. Get it ready with applying some glue again. Just cut the extras if you are able to see them. So quick tip, while pasting the foam sheet, I realized that I had to cut them really thin when compared to the hearts. Yeah, so make it really thin so that we don't see the foam on the sides. It's time for us to make the little hearts. I'm gonna give this card to my sweetheart, my boyfriend, and if you're watching this video, you're probably gonna give it to someone. Let me know in the comments if you're giving this, if you have a sweetheart and you're going to gift it to someone on Valentine's Day. So I'm going to stick this on our base card now. First I'm applying some glue. Did I just say glue? So the number of hearts, don't add too many of them. If you add too many of them, they wouldn't have enough space to move around, so that would be a problem. And don't add too less of them either. So you need to find a perfect mix for the size of your heart. Let the glue yeah, let the glue sit for a minute. So there you go guys, a Valentine's Day DIY shaker card. I hope you like this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And if you want to follow me on Instagram, I'll link the details in the description. Bye bye. I'll see you soon.